So every campaign on Facebook contains three important elements or steps. You can just call it whatever you want. The first element or the first step is the campaign. Let me zoom this. 166. Okay, this is better. So the first element or the first step, you can call it whatever you want, is the campaign, in which we're choosing our objective marketing for our ads. The objective marketing is like telling to Facebook what you want people to do. It could be download an app or buy a product or just visiting a website and read a post or an article in this website. Also, the campaign section is a step where to choose how much money you want to spend per day or for a lifetime since the beginning of the campaign till the end of this campaign. And each campaign contains one ad set or more. It could be 1, 2, or even 20 ad sets. And in this ad set, we are going to choose our audiences, depend on their ages and as well as their gender and interests and their hobbies and their behaviors, and even if they are rich or poor. Farther down the road, I'm going to show you a trick to only choose and show your ad to rich people who live in rich countries like the United States, France, Spain, and other European countries. Also, in this section, which is the ad set, you will be able to choose your audiences depends on their relationship, depends on their relationship, and if they are married or single, or if they are dating someone, or if they are divorced, or if they have kids or not, or even if they live with their family, or if they live far away alone, far away from their families. Also, in this section right here that is called the ad sets, we can choose our audience's locations and as well as our audience's speaking language and the device they are using, if it's an Android or an iOS. And also you can choose if your ads can be shown to only people who are connected by a Wi-Fi or connected by a 4G network. And in the last part right here, it's the ad. And in this section, you will be able to choose the page that will contain or host your ad. So it's very important, guys, to create a page with the name of your website store from the beginning or from the very first step before going further in this course. And in this section, the last section, which is the ad, you will be able to choose the picture or the video that your audiences will see on the Facebook news feed when they are browsing around, and the design of the ad that it's going to be shown to your customers, and you can choose the final design and the final paragraph and the title. And also in the ad last part section, a window will show up to add your payment details, like to add your PayPal and Visa or MasterCard. And when you enter your details and click confirm, your whole campaign that it contains the ads as well as the ad set will be sent to Facebook team to be reviewed and then published. So that was a brief intro to what we're going to create. And so in the next video, we're going to jump to our Facebook Business Manager and see this in the real form. Don't worry, my friend, if it's a little different from you to understand this right now. Everything will be easy and you will get it very fast. I promise.